Guys, let's do some shopping at Home Depot today. I gotta get my mask out. Hang on. Where is it? Alright, y'all, let's go. Anything on the clearance? Do need a new fan. $160. Ugh. A little too much. Even when I'm like home. Alright, I need one of those sink stoppers. Mine broke. Where the heck are they? Ah, here we go. Never clog. That's cool, but I don't think that's going to fit. So everything in my house is still like construction grade, with the exception of what I have been replacing. Huh. Is that it? Lost jewelry. Really? Can't tell you how many times. But will it fit? That's the only thing. Are these things universal? See, install video. Huh. If it doesn't fit, they'll send you one that will. Huh. That's interesting. That's really interesting. See, I just need something that's universal. So, like this. Or those. Are these universal, or... I don't know. Maybe I should just go with the... But I don't remember this here being in the pipe. I would have seen that. I would have seen it. Oh, God. I don't know. Because there's no screw anything. There's for that to screw in. There's nothing like that. But there is something for it to latch onto. So maybe I'll just get one of these cheapies. And call it a day. Yeah. But my mother-in-law wanted one of these. So I'm going to get her one of these. Okay, now I want a bidet. One of those ones that you just hook up. But where are they? Where are they? They're not in the toilet section because I looked. So I figured they got to be over here in the spigot section. Who knows? Nope. Okay, so which one? Which one? What's the difference? They both look the same. With the exception of one says that and one says luxury. And then there's this one.
These are pretty much standard.
Hmm.
Look at this one. Near marble granite. What is that?
Now what's the difference between that one and that one?
All pretty much standard.
Both the same price. What's the difference?
Well, that's something totally different than toilet. No, that's just a piece that you buy and put on.
Yeah, you stick it in the floor or something.
Never knew.
Hmm.
That they were all rich. 16 and a half.
I don't know. I'm going with this one. That other one up there. I don't know. This one just looks easier to install and I don't know. So, okay, done with that one. Let's see. What else do I need to get? What else is on my list? Okay. Now everything else that I have to get is at another store. So, I'm done here for the day. Let's go somewhere else. Alright, Walmart, here we are. God help us. I only have to get a few things here today. place is busy, busy. You should have seen me trying to get a parking spot. I must have drove in the parking lot. Oh my gosh, I don't know, about 10 minutes. $10 for a parking spot. Insane. First stop is for essential oils, because I like to make my own cleaning supplies for my house, but they're also good, like aromatherapy is good for your mental state. So I'm going to stop and see what essential oils they have. They are on the other side. They don't have any organic ones anymore? They used to have organic ones now. Darn it. Well, get these two. See what they have over in pharmacy. They might have them in pharmacy, now that I think about it. Yeah. Going up the down and down the up. Jeez. Anything here in pharmacy? Essential oils anywhere, 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 anywhere. No. What the heck? I thought they had them here. Huh. Alright. Wow. Could have sworn they had essential oils, organic essential oils over here. Darn it. Nope, but they started carrying elderberry. Huh. Never heard that before. Anything good in the camping aisle? One of those water purifiers. Ah, there they are. Life straw. Is that on clearance, that life straw? Purification tablets. Interesting. Very interesting. But why is this one? Is this on clearance or something? No. Turn your favorite bottle. Ah, okay. So this goes to that. These are interesting. Now this is what I want. It's a wrought iron pan or cast iron skillet. This is what I want. Ooh, look at that Dutch oven. Nice. That's beautiful. It's only $17. Well, why is this? This is the same size, 5 quart. This is a 5 quart. That's 40. That's 17. Is it because of the brand? That's why it's so much more expensive? I don't get it. It's ridiculous. Same thing with those grills right down there. That's 50. That's 10. Same size. Makes sense? Not really. Huh. Does the brand really matter? Sound off in the comments. Does the brand really matter? Okay, getting some canning supplies. The only lids that they have are wide mouth, but that's okay because I've got some wide mouth jars at home. But these are nice. I'm going to use these for spices. So, for my herbs, from my herb garden. And then found that. So, and what are those? What are those? See that? What are these? What are these? No. Not that much at all. Not that much. I mean, look. That's it. That's it. And it's pouring. Shite. Alright, guys. That's all for this video. I'm signing off. If you're new here, please subscribe. I would so totally love that. And if you're returning, how you doing? I'll see you in the next one. I love you. I will see you probably tomorrow. Bye.